You on the violation now, or I'll give you a review date of August 20, and you do whatever you got to do to put a plan together.
The sovereign citizen.
Come on up, man. Did he say it right? Bechtel?
Like a big company, the big construction.
All right.
For the record, John Bronstein, I think on behalf of Barbara 𝘾𝙤𝙥𝙮𝙧𝙞𝙬 to my left. Please identify yourself.
Thank you.
We are, I mean, I should say she is guilty, but with an explanation.
Go ahead.
She's in bad shape, and surprised she's not taking advantage of resources. She's currently, even though it doesn't excuse her not being compliant, she takes care of her 83-year-old mother who has dementia. She should herself be on a Social Security disability with the way she walks. The moment I saw her walking, I said, "What are you on disability?" And she's indicated she hasn't taken those steps.
Okay.
She qualifies for that, in addition to possibly even be home caregiver for her mom, who's 83 years old. You can imagine all the things that are being done for the 83-year-old mother.
Yep.
And this is where we're at, Judge. I'm seeking guidance from yourself and Ms. Turley to make sure that she is compliant, sir.
Okay. All right. So just for the record, non-compliance, substance abuse treatment, testing, work program, and payments.
Judge, with the payments, though, I was going to indicating that she did in fact pay, I believe, $216, $180 micro. Yeah.
All right. When was the last payment you made, ma'am?
3 days ago. Yes.
Okay. All right.
A work program, no disrespect. It's maybe community service in lieu of any.
She was ordered to do community service.
Yes, understood.
Right. Right.
Whatever we can do to make.
Well, here's my problem. How are we going to get her on track?
Judge,
I mean, basically she hasn't done anything since May. How is another month going to help her?
Judge, it's not necessarily another month. Let me speak, please. It's not necessarily another month, Judge. It's a program within the next 2 to 3 months to make sure she's in a position not only to continue paying, but also to be in a position to be tested and to do the substance abuse treatment.
Okay.
Is it correct that you in fact have had the screening regarding the substance abuse?
I went there, but I didn't know that they needed like $30 enrollment fee.
Where's there? You went there. Where's that?
It's the lady.
Okay. What's the name of the outfit?
Judge,
That sounds like she went to get set up with testing, not treatment. Right.
Judge,
You understand?
submit some stuff to.
All right. Yeah, go ahead. Ma'am, you understand that testing and treatment are two different things? Okay.
The treatment. I didn't even go for it. It was $150.
Okay. Yes. Right.
Proof of that.
So what's the plan?
The game plan is to get her involved with some agency that will allow her to cross that bridge, so to speak. I do believe she will be successful. Will it take a little bit longer than normal? It certainly will, but I do believe that it's ironic that so many people that take advantage of the programs truly should not be given that opportunity, such as people who qualify for court-appointed attorneys. $150,000 a year. This person right now doesn't have any resources, and she certainly qualifies for Social Security disability, let alone home care payments for her mother who has dementia.
I can't put this file on hold for her to get disability. That's
We need your guidance, Judge.
I.
Judge,
What recommendation?
I think she's willing or able to comply. I
Did she ever reach out to you?
She has not contacted me. In addition to the financial strain, she failed to report with me on her scheduled reporting dates. That doesn't help me.
Does she have any priors on her record? Any priors on her record?
No priors, Your Honor.
Judge, it sounds like I said, just talking with her, just looking at her, it sounds like there's significant depression that has not been diagnosed, and she's in an abyss, Judge. That's essentially what's going on. I know I sound a little too confident, but I do believe that this person will be successful, and I know you're frustrated.
I'm willing to listen to a plan.
The game plan is she's got to reach out to resources that are available. I'm shocked she hasn't even gone to the Social Security Disability Office. I mean, it's just, I think people that can walk up and down the stairs and, oh, you know, I've got this.
No, I understand that, but once again, I can't wait for Social Security to be her saving grace. She's got to get, and the money's, I'm not even worried about the money.
She certainly, she had a busted taillight. She put it together with paper from $1 or $2. So this is where we're at.
Okay.
I'm just asking for mercy. Your wife, I mean, I can't believe I'm saying it to go to jail. She was stupid for the open intoxicants, but you know, Judge, she's self-medicating in a stupid way.
Yeah. Yeah, but that's the problem. Transportation's an issue, so she can't do what I want her to do, but she's out driving around somewhere and gets picked up with an open intoxicant. So, I mean, she's obviously got the ability to drive somewhere at some time. I'll tell you what, I can either,
I'm asking for the review date. I'm not going to kid you. I don't expect much progress except to get in these programs to put her in a position to be successful.
well, I got to hear more than she needs to avail herself of resources. I got to hear more than that. No. I'm just saying on August 20th, I don't want to hear that she's looking for resources. I got to see some action between now and August 20th. I'll give you the month and 3 days or whatever it is. And ma'am, I'm not unsympathetic about the fact that you've got a lot going on and you're overwhelmed. But as counsel said, there are resources out there for you. You got to ask for help, and he can point you in the right direction. Ms. Tiroli can point you in the right direction, but we're not going to go knock on your door and say, well, how can we help you be successful with probation?
Examining with someone who's overwhelmed and, but it appears a somewhat defeatist attitude.
I get that. But once again, she's got to at least find the energy to seek the help. All right. Good luck. You're welcome. They just waiting for John? All right. Yeah, Murray's waiting for Klein.
The Sovereign Citizen.